Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone random restart issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or 57, you're facing the issue that your phone is randomly restarting. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app here. In settings, go to device here and go to auto optimization and make sure that your auto restart is disabled or both of these toggles are disabled from here. So once you have done this, you just have to go back and just go to software update section, click check for updates to check for the pending latest software updates, make sure they're connected to internet to check for or download the pending updates from here. And once you have done, you just have to go back. I also recommend the one more thing you can try to go to device here, go to storage and make sure that you have enough storage almost 10 GB, minimum 10 GB free in your internal storage to use your phone as well. Or you can also go to the apps section here, go to apps and just check for any suspicious app because sometimes it might be there's any suspicious app or any malware installed on your phone might having these type issues. So you just have to scroll down and just look for any suspicious or unknown app. If you find, so you can also, for as an example, let's say I'm gonna select any third party app from here. For example, this one. I'm gonna select this one here. Now you can try to completely uninstall it, or you can try to click on force stop. After forcefully stopping it, go to storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. After clearing data, just go back and then completely uninstall it. It will completely delete the junk file of your apps, the data of that apps, and after all that apps itself. Once you have done all of this, I recommend you to make a force restart with your phone. Now to make a force restart, you have to press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. Just press and hold your volume down, and with the very first you might see a black screen over here, and once you get a black screen you just have to wait for Samsung logo here, and once you see the Samsung logo just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it's restart. It will make a force restart your phone which might take longer than usual, and after your force phone has been restarted your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.